Using the word today in a sentence.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to use the word today in a sentence. This versatile word is commonly used in English conversations and writing, and we'll explore a clear example to understand its use better. Let's dive in.
What does today mean?
Today is a word that refers to the current day, the day that is presently in progress. It's often used to discuss something that has happened, is happening, or will happen on the current day. Example: I went to the grocery store today.
How to use today in a sentence.
Using today in a sentence is quite simple. It can fit into different parts of the sentence depending on the context. Let's look at a clear example. Example: today, I am planning to finish reading my book. In this sentence, today is placed at the start to set the time frame for the action that will take place, finishing reading the book. And there you have it. As you can see, using today in a sentence is pretty straightforward. The word today is a helpful tool to specify when something is happening, making your communication clear and precise. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use today in your daily conversations or written communication. Happy learning!